What's up, guys? It's me, Gabriel, and today we have a 1v1 against Black Canary versus Enchantress. He's gonna be Black Canary, I'll be Enchantress, chat. Alright. It's a rematch, by the way, with volume this time, because last time there's no volume, sadly. Alright. Vote in the comments who you're rooting for. Vote for me, bro. Vote for me. No, I'm gonna win this for you guys. Only for you. Don't skip, don't skip.
Why?
She's coming to harvest human souls. This is an intervention. Okay, hero.
Alright, here we go.
What's this for? God damn, bro, that move?
Wait. My controls.
Oh, yeah.
This is the controls of mine if you wanna, like, I guess, steal it. Yep. Save. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Wait, let's restart that. Right, 3, 2, 1. Go.
You little rat.
Easy.
This has me.
Frick me. Alright.
Damn.
Did you forget how to play Black Canary or something?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Well, let me breathe.
Why would I let you breathe in a 1v1? I think you need to tag out for real.
Oh. You little shit.
Easy.
Hold on, let me lock.
I'm going all out, bro.
Oh. Let me breathe, gang.
Easy read. Hit him.
Oh my. Hold on.
Oh, he's looking at the controls, bro.
Nigga, don't act like you did.
Trash. Well, I was doing my controller, bro.
Oh, I didn't mean to jump forward. It fell.
Oh shit. My bad. Alright. Oh, I should have seen that combo, bro. Oh,
No
here it
combo.
is, that combo again.
Shut up. Oh, I missed.
Snip.
Wait.
Boom. Easy
One.
first round.
1-0,
1-0. First to 3, right? Oh. He's locking in. Doing the push-ups. Oh.
Shut up.
Still not stronger though.
What do you mean? Still not strong?
Right, let me just adjust the camera. It keeps like... Sorry for that, guys. Right, don't move, Ken.
Oh,
Yeah, boy.
What the flag? What's... Oh, that's Kelvin. Yeah, bitch. Oh, what?
Yeah, boy. This is a very good matchup. Like... Oh, no. Oh.
How do I pull the string?
Oh. Get him.
How do I counter?
You can't.
What do you mean you can't? What do you...
My pretty.
Grab.
That's why I parried that.
Fudge. Okay.
Wait.
One. Oh crap. Oh crap.
That's it.
I did a wrong move. No. Yeah, you still don't know what it...
I can't do it for some reason. You keep parrying.
I'm not even parrying.
No, my character.
I just have massive skill issue. Oh, shoot.
Oh, I didn't even mean to do that. Oh,
I didn't even realize we're in the same health now.
wait, hold on. You little shit.
What am I doing?
I don't fucking know what you're doing.
Yo, stop running, bro. Fuck. You keep running, little bitch.
Oh, hell no, nigga.
That's gotta be it. That's
Wait,
game
how did I dodge mid-air? How did I dodge
2.
mid-air? I forgot.
Game 2.
Wait, how did I dodge mid-air?
You can't.
Yes, you can. It costs like 2 energy bars.
What? Oh.
The cancel.
Yeah, on other attacks. Not this one.
What other attacks?
Not the ultimate.
What do you mean,
2-0.
bro? Mid-air.
2-0. Lock in, bro. Lock in. Lock in.
Wait.
You're actually trash, kid.
Oh, hold on.
You keep running, that's why. Keep, like, actual
Because I'm
fight.
trying to regain my control, nigga. Oh.
That combo's so good, bro. Oh, shit.
Oh, where did it even come from?
Ken, what are you doing?
Hold on.
Do you not know what the word block is? Come on.
Controls.
Ken,
What?
what are you doing?
Wait, hold on, bro. It's midnight.
Oh.
I'm tired.
Are you gonna pull a comeback or some shit?
Maybe. Oh.
Oh, shit. What does that do?
I think it's like a wall. That's gold.
What am I doing?
What the fuck was that?
My bad, chat, my bad. Hold on. I'm not focused at all. No. Stop dashing.
Nigga, what are you
bro.
doing, dude?
My thing keeps dashing. Oh, I'm not focused at all, bro.
Yeah, I know my eyes are tired.
I was born in the dark.
What?
Yeah, oh shit. Yo, what am I doing?
I don't know.
Fuck,
Stop
I
with that,
missed
bro.
every single one.
Damn. I bet.
Ain't no way. How?
I'm him.
You are not him. Alright, 1-2.
Wait, what? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
2-1. I can't do my controls. Hold on. Wait a minute. Yeah, Ohio Skibbity. Look, maxing and singing on betas. I'm a big Sigma underground nigga. I mean, that's a good move as well if you like. How do I do my? Okay, never mind.
Well, use your light button, bro. Use your.
Okay, I'll use it. It does like no damage, bro. I'm not using my light button.
Right? Gang, what is that? Ooh, ooh.
Wait, my controls are. Fuck.
Oh, what the fuck? Why you do that?
Come on, monster. You been to the day, I'ma feed you to the monster. Oh no. Fuck. Alright.
Oh, nice.
Alright. I'm back.
My ass. Dumbass
Oh
nigga.
my god.
What's your monster at?
Fuck.
Oh
Yeah,
shit.
boy.
Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot
Fuck.
you can do that.
Fuck.
Nice. Dumbass.
Yo, I need to focus on doing that. Last video, I focused to that all day. Now I just can't focus, bro.
What the fuck was that, bro?
The fuck was
What
that,
the
bro?
fuck? Wait, hold on.
Come back.
My ass. Ready, right?
2-2. Why does it always come to 2-2?
What's this?
Alright. I'm locked in.
My ass.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm locked in. Alright, chat. Who do you go for? Me or Ken? Whoever wins this gets the shout out. By Pow Pow Gab. Because I'm him.
My ass.
Alright. Come on. Don't skip.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
The last battle. It's the final countdown.
I hate that damn monster with my life, bro. Oh, damn.
I didn't even. I was just.
Oh, I hate that move.
Oh, lucky boy.
Oh, damn.
Can you? Oh, you can meter burn it.
You can what?
Meter burn that. What? Are you gonna get the comeback again, Ken?
Maybe.
Really? You might. Well, come back here, bro. Oh. Do it, bro. Fuck. Alright.
Oh, shit.
Alright.
Maybe
Alright.
you shouldn't have done that.
Alright, guys. Alright.
Oh.
Come on, Ken.
Sit.
You're gonna be sitting down after I win this bloody battle and post it on YouTube, and then Jack's gonna say Gabriel's the GOAT because I'm the GOAT.
My ass, nigga.
Yo, it keeps going back for some reason. Nah, come back here, little bro.
Nigga. Oh, fuck me. Nah, you missed that
Die.
one there. Oh, fuck me. What? Wait.
Fuck. I realized that like last second. Let's go.
No, run it back.
told you. I told you. There was a low battery mark.
The whole time?
No, not the whole time. I'm not sure. There was a battery mark. I'm not sure. We're gonna run the finals again.
What fuck? Oh, yeah.
I'm not sure, but this is just a bonus. I won, by the way.
Shut up, nigga.
Alright, we're gonna run back the finals. Since I think it got cancelled because of the low battery thing. But why is like
Oh, I didn't mean to dash, motherfucker. Shut up. You little monkey.
freak me, bro?
Yeah. You little rat, nigga.
What in the get Ohio State, baby? Look, Maxi. Hey, combos. Oh, blocked.
Nigga, stop with that. Look,
Yeah, boy.
for that. I hate that damn nigga so much.
Right, alright. Yo. Oh my god, bro. No.
Wait.
Oh.
I could clutch, maybe.
Hey, he might get the comeback.
You little monkey.
You are not get. Oh, will this kill? Will this kill? Will this kill?
Yeah, that killed, right?
Oh!
Wait.
Still. Yo!
No. Winnable.
Yo, chat. Do you see this?
See what, nigga? See.
Alright.
You fucking nigga.
He's in 1 health.
I'm on critical.
Just finish him off, bro. Die! I'm him.
Wait,
I'm
hold
him.
on.